So hello and welcome back to another English video. And in today's video, we're going to learn how to pronounce min, e, mum. Min, e, mum. So mim, mim. So the lips closed. E, min. E, mum. This will be affected by any previous languages you know, and also if you speak another accent or English. So I speak Australian English. In American English, this will be minimum. In Australian English, the vowels are short. Minimum. American English, or a few of the accents are minimum. So the U is more of a longer vowel. So, but basically, min, e, mum, min, e, mum, min, e, mum, min, e, mum. Okay, so this is like mum, but mum. It's more like a U, an O sound, not a U sound. So mum, mum. So we don't say mini mum, so min, e, mum, mum. So more like how the US pronounces mum. They spell it mom, mum. So min, e, mum. And this means the smallest quantity. So I would like your minimum chips. If you go to a fish and chip shop, or if you go to any grocery, I would like your minimum bag of apples. So the smallest bag of apples you can get. So a small bit, just a little bit, a small. A min, e, mum. Hope this helps you with your pronunciation of this word in English. And take care and have an awesome time.